Welcome back, you guys. Today we're going to look at this 21-piece gel polish set from a company called PEWETE. Hi you guys, welcome back. I know it seems like it's been forever since I've done a voiceover, but I am back and I'm going to show you this 21-piece gel polish set. And it's from a company called PEWETE, but they're also known as Pine. I have done a review on Pine before. I'll leave it there for you guys in the upper right hand corner. So first I noticed about this packaging is there's a lot of foamage going on here, which is a good thing, okay? Because that just shows that they really care about the quality of the product when it arrives to you. So I've never seen this much foam in a package, but I'm also very grateful for that. So there's a plus for that one. All right, so let's get into what's in here. There's a base gel, there's a no wipe top gel, and there's a matte gel. I really love that they specify that it's a no wipe top coat and that they put a matte top coat in here as well. So let me just take them all out for you guys and you can just see that they have the colors on the top of the bottles. And one thing I start to look out for, you guys, is if they include a white color and a black color. I feel like just having both of those colors in a set is like yin and yang, okay? I feel like you should have one and the other both in the same set, but hey, enough of that. Let's move on to labeling my swatches. And I always like to just show you guys this process really fast, just to show you a little tip on if you're labeling a bunch of swatches, go ahead and print out as many of them as you can at the same time. That way you're not wasting the edge of that paper that always comes out. And hey, if you're new here, please hit that sub button, hit that like, and hit that notification bell for me. Okay, now we're gonna get into this color parade. So you guys, this first color obviously is kind of a nude pastel look, which I really love. I love nudes, I love pastels, and pink, okay? So that first one was a straight up yes for me. So this video will be time-stamped. If you guys want to go ahead and go to where I do the top coat and the matte top coat, see those results, that's totally fine. Or you can stick around and enjoy this lovely color parade I put together for you guys. It'll just show you all the different colors. It's gonna show you the quality of this polish. So I am gonna just chill for a little bit, and I would appreciate it if you guys chilled around a little bit too, watch this lovely color parade. And one thing I wanted to add is that they did cure in that recommended 60 to 90 seconds. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I had to butt in on this one because hello, it's hollow. All right, I had to do a little comment, you guys. I love this color. I was so shocked when I opened it up. just to see this iridescentness going on and this hollow type look. I just wanted to just comment on it. It was too beautiful to just, let it go by. All right. Let me know if you're feeling this one too. Okay, you guys, I am back because we are nearing the end of these colors. The parade is almost over, but just look at this beautiful silver. It reminds me of the Tin Man from Wizard of Oz. That's what that one reminds me of. And then this one was just gorgeous all on its own. It had a little champagne gold in there. Amazing. So now I will show you guys the top coat. I'm gonna do a before and after of 4 different colors, and again, it is a no wipe top coat, which I said, I love that. So here's a little transformation. Honestly, I didn't notice too much of a difference in the shininess. And here is the matte top coat. We're gonna go ahead and put it on 4 different ones, and as you guys can see, that just instantly starts turning to matte, which if you don't have a matte top coat and you're doing gel polish, I don't know what you're doing. I'm just kidding, but I love matte top coat. Well, that is my review, guys. I hope you found it entertaining, relaxing, informative, all of the above. Again, that's from that company called PEWETE, which is also known as Pine. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe if you enjoy my content. Hit that like button for me and hit that notification bell so you can be updated every time I upload a new product review, nail art, all that. I'll see you guys next time.